Bring dedication.
I will cherish you
I will cherish you
forever
forever
and ever.
and ever.
Just put the ring. Let us clap our hands to the Lord. Jeremy, she already received the ring from Jimmy. And this part, Jeremy, we are going to show how this ring is very important to Kuya Jimmy. Ate Jeremy, you are going to repeat after me. I give you this ring,
I give you this ring,
a symbol of my everlasting love.
a symbol of my everlasting love.
I promise to support you,
I promise to support you,
care for you,
care for you,
and stand along with you
and stand along with you
for all of our days.
for all of our deeds.
It is a reminder
It is a reminder
of my eternal faith,
of my eternal faith
an unwavering dedication.
and unwavering dedication.
I will cherish you
I will cherish you
forever
forever
and ever.
and ever.
Let us clap our hands to the Lord. Thank you, and now you receive the ring. It is very important that you receive the ring as a symbol of unbroken circle of love. Love freely given has no beginning and no end. Congratulations. Maraming salamat, ring bearer. And now may we call on the candle sponsor to light our candle. We come to this part that we are going to light the candle. The two lighted candles that were extinguished earlier represented their separate lives prior to the marriage, and as they light the one candle and extinguish their separate candles, they are saying to each other that they are no longer two separated lives, but one. So Jimmy and Jeremy, you are no longer independent of each other but now dependent upon one another and together dependent upon God's life. Maraming salamat, ate. Can I borrow the candle? Thank you. Can you give it to Jimmy? You are going to face to your partner. If we are going to walk in darkness, we cannot see our path. But if we have light that comes from the Lord Christ Jesus, we can get closer and closer to God. But again, marriage life is not easy. One day, kailangan mo, Jeremy, pag nagkaroon ka ng problema, Kuya Jimmy will share his light to Jeremy. It is very important for the husband and wife that sometimes pundido na yung ilaw mo, but you need the light from your partner or from your spouse. Two lights is better than one. Light is very important because if you are going to walk with light, we can see the path straight. Palakpakan po natin ang Panginoon. In Joshua chapter 1 verse 8 says, it is very important today that this light, it could help us because Jesus is the light of our life. You will never walk in darkness if there is light into your life. Palakpan ulit natin ang Panginoon. And this time we call on